Well, good morning, grade threes. We're back again. Today we have a really cool interactive video lesson. So, today's date is Thursday, June the 11th, and we're going to continue on with our unit in poetry. So today we're going to be listening to a story about a parrot. We all know how funny parrots can be. A fun fact is that parrots can be found all over the world. And all over the world, they can be different colors. They're not always the same color. They can be different colors too. And we all know how funny parrots could be, right? They talk and they repeat after you sometimes, which is really cool. All right, here we go. The name of this poem, you can see it on the right side of your screen, is called I'm a Parrot. I'm a parrot. I live in a cage. I'm nearly always in a vex-up rage. I used to fly, all light and free, in the luscious green forest canopy. I miss the wind against my wing, I miss the nut and the fruit picking. I squawk, I talk, I curse, I swear, I repeat the things I shouldn't hear. So don't come near me or put out your hand, because I'll pick you if I can. Pick you if I can. I want to be free. Can't you understand? Well, there's definitely a story here behind this parrot. This parrot definitely seems to have some feelings, doesn't he? Well, what you're going to be doing is continuing answering your questions, completing your comprehension questions here in Edpuzzle as best as you can. Great job, boys and girls. Keep up all your hard work, and thanks for tuning in for today's online video interactive lesson. See you soon.